Now, students, multiplication of decimals. So, observe, I divide the whiteboard into portions. Left side classwork, and that is the homework. So, first, multiplication, the decimal by 10, by 100, by 1000, by 10,000s. So, first, we have to check it and how we do it. Observe it. So first we multiply in very simple way. How many zero here? 1 0. So write 1 0. What is remaining? Here 1. So multiply 1 7 ja 7, 1 6 ja 6, 1 4 ja 4, and 1 2 ja 2. And now check the decimal. Here from the right side, there is a 2 digit. So we also put the decimal from the right side, 2 digit. Okay? Yes. Next, 38 decimal 71 multiply 100. So here is the 2 0. So we write 2 0. And now 1. 1 1 is 1. 1 7 is 7. 1 8 is 8. And 1 3 is 3. And observe, here the decimal from the right side before 2 digit. So we use the decimal here for the 2 digit. And now there is a 3 0, the 1 0, 2 0, and 3 0. And now 1 6 is 6, 1 3 is 3, and 1 7 is 7. And decimal here from the right side before 1 digit. So we use the decimal here before 1 digit. And now check the next. How many zeros here? 4 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4 0. And 1 3 is 3, and 1 2 is 2. Where is the decimal? Last 3. So we use the decimal here. Do you understand? Okay. So now solve these questions as homework. And finish it. Pause the video and copy the question and solve it. And what is the rules for this? I explain you. And according to your book, when a decimal is multiplied by 10, shift the decimal point toward right by 1 place. Toward by right 1 place. 7. So decimal here towards by right place. When a decimal is multiplied by 100, shift the decimal point towards right by 2 places. When a decimal is multiplied by 1000, shift the decimal point towards right by 3 places. Multiplication of decimal and whole numbers. And now check the exercise also. We solve the exercise and the rules. Exercise 2.3, question number 1. Find the product. First question is 0.156. 0.15 multiplied by 6 is equal to. So first we multiply by 6. 6 5 is 30. So 3 0, 3 carry. And 6 1 is 6, and 3 9. And decimal here before 2 digits. We also write the decimal before 2 digits and 0. This is the A part. And here is the E part. E part 12 multiplied 30.02. So we can write also this 30.02 multiplied by 12. So as usual, first we multiply as the whole numbers. 2 2s are 4 and 2 0 0 2 0 0 2 3s are 6. We use the cross here. 1 2s are 2 and 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 3s are 3 and 4 2 0 6 and 3. And how many digits are here? 2 digits. Before, after the decimal, I have before 2 digits the decimal. So we use the decimal here. So this is the answer. 360.24. 360.24. Question number 2. Find the product of. It's easy. I explain it. The question number 2 already in the first example. So you can do. Find the product of. So question number 2 already explained. Question number 3. This both have the decimal. 0.16, 0.16 multiplied by 0.9. 0.9. So first we multiply as usual. 9 6 ja 54, 5 carry, and 9 1 ja 9 4, 14. So now count the digit after decimal. 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. We use the decimal here and this is the A part of question number 3. Now question number C. Here C part. You observe the C part. 13.01 13.01 multiplied by 5.5. 5.5. So we multiply as usual. 5 1s are 5, 5 0 0, 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 5 1s are 5 1, 6. So same as here. 5 1s are 5, 5 0, 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 5 1s are 5, 6. And now add them. 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 11, 1 carry. So you get 7. So now how many digits are after decimal? 1, 2 and 3. So reach the decimal 1, 2 and 3 here. What is the answer? You check 71.555. This is the answer. So remaining questions you try to solve. So now students, exercise 2.3, question number 4. Find the continued product. Continued product. Question number 4. First part 2.51 into 2.8 into 0.43. So how we solve this question? So you multiply any two, this and this, or this and this. So first check, we multiply both this. 2.51 multiply 2.8 and then multiply it as a whole number, and after multiplication then put the decimals. So first multiply by the 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 8 2s are 16, 4, 20, then cross, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 and 5, and then add. 82057. So we use the decimal 2 and 3 digit 1, 2, 3. That is the 3 digit. So answer of these two multiplication, we multiply here 7.028, again multiply by 0.43, and now 3 8 is 24. We write 4 here, 2 carry, and 3 2 is 6, 7, 8, 3 0, 0, 3 7 is 21, and cross here and multiply by 4. 4 8 is 32, and 3 carry, 4 2 is 8, 3, 11, 1 carry, and 4 0 0 and 1 5. So how it is come? 11 and so on. Okay, 11 and 4 7 is 28, and then add, so 4 8 2 0 10, 2 2 8 2 10, 0 and 2. Here the decimal 3 digit and 2 digits, total 5 digit 1 2 3 4 5. So answer is, what is the answer? 2.022204. Something is wrong? Yes. 8 to 10, 1 carry. So that is 3, not 2. What is it come here? 3. So that is 3.02204. So this is the continued product. So first part I solve it. Second part you solve itself. Next question. Question number 5th. If what is given? Question number 5th is given. If one 178 multiplied 63 is equal to 214, 11,214. Then find the value of. So find the value of product is given A, B, C, D. 4 portion is given. A 178 into 63, A part, and B part is also 178 into 63, C part 178 into 63, and D part 178 into 63. Here decimal is also given. So in first portion given 17.8 to 0.63, another 1.78 into 63, another 17.8 into 6.3, and last one 0.178 into 63. So answer is given. Answer is the same. So we copy the answer 1 1 2 1 4. Again 1 1 2 1 4. Again 1 1 2 1 4. Again 1 1 2 1 4. So students, be careful. This is the tricky questions. And now check, because the product is the whole number is same. All whole numbers are same here. Check here. All whole numbers are same. Only decimal is different. So here the decimal. After decimal 1 digit, here 3 digit, 2 digit. Total digit 3. So 1 2 3. So we write the decimal here 3. Okay. So here we write the decimal here 3 place in all. 3 place in all. Here After decimal, there are 2 digits. So 1, 2. So we write here decimal. So there is 2 place in all. Here, after decimal, 1 digit and 1 digit, 2 digit. So 1, 2. This is also 2 digit. Here 1, 2, 3. So this is a 1, 2, 3. So this is the solution. How to find the solution for multiplication? Is it clear? Okay. Next question. Question number 6. When 0.02964 is divided by 0.004, what will be the quotient? Question number 6. What will be the quotient? The required quotient is equal to 0.02964 divided by 004. 0.0, or you can write like this, the division 0.00. Okay, we write here quotient. So how we write? 0.02964 divided by 0.004. So how it will be divided? So first change into decimal. So how we write? We write the 1 below it and count after the decimal how many digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2964. Divide again 4 upon 1000, because after decimal there is a 3 digit to increase 3 0. And as you know how to multiply, so then it is multiply 1000 upon 4. So 3 0 cancel by 3 0. So you get 2964 upon 400. So multiply it and you divide it by them. So you get, how you get? Divide by 4. 4 7 ja 28 and 4 4 ja 16 and 4 1 ja 4 upon 100. So it is 741 upon 100. Hence 7.41. So we use the decimal 1, 2. So this is the question number 6. So now students, solve the remaining question of exercise 2.3 from question number 6 from 7 to 12. If you have any doubt, you ask me again.